For me, say, but also Nesh Paul, I need to was savage. The only line that I like from the song, education is the key to condom. But I love so many lines there.
My baba jaro flying bacha danuna city. Oh, even if I'm gonna they channel that means
ni live ka interview ya mai baba se unlock provela ku a yi tsikanangi inkomo ni ta vuyela hansi
I mai baba
vavhakachesu vatsaka vako ekuti mathosi kirikiriki
jaro kula imbacha danun a xi yi tivi
I'm in a tala mina. Like that's fair food.
wa lava a wu lava
It doesn't.
3, 2, 1, they take you alive.
Boy, expose. My baba charukula imbacha danuna city. Oh, imanim amkelaka. They channel that matters. Oh, they channel that matters the most. Hambo kwata. Walava, awulabe. Idazuku. The only channel that matters to watch. We're trying to do our level best. It might mean that this is the very first video you see, but this is as we had the camera person saying third take. It means like you have now on the very same hours. So we're trying to push, and with the limited time we have, we need to get our thing going. So in one of the days, I think I heard Timbisa, and then someone afonela Sulu Makamu. Aku minjani. Aku ipfukile minjani. Pfuking. Good. So, look, avule sweswe. Aku anlava mina pfuna la ku humesa albamu. Hi mhaka ya ku a ni nga humesa kona ni ta hakela stuff like that. Wabo? So na swilo swa ku hakela mara a na ha endli me sweswo swo producela vanhu mavo swi na swilo swo tala so like for some reason I kind of felt weird but we had a conversation about it with him so ni go right cool so ni ta ni cheka ni kuma ku vanhu lava nga tirha na vona hinkwavo they can claim to be good people around him and stuff like that but I realize no one says good things about him. No one. So these people, they start together. Like I can tell you now, I even have the voice notes that one of your greatest duo in Gaza. Like they don't speak good about each other, man. Especially people look uterenabo in the sense where you get the upper hand on them. They feel like they're entitled to you, to your work or to your services. Like like rito kupfuna rita from a voluntary place. Kupfuna swo boha. Kupfuna swo endla hi mani na mani. So ni ta ni cheka ni ku vanhu lava nga tirha na Dr. Shirimani hinkwavo ku hava na wun'we a nga vulavula swilo swa kahle handle ka Prince Rangani not even a single day a nga tshika teka mic a rhukatela Dr. Joe. No hemba no n'wi byela mukula wa xitirititi la ku n'wi yimelela like so I wanted to say Prince Rangani yena but hinkwavo va fana so ni va ni twisa ku so ni Makami boriwa hi sweswi swa ku nani loko vanhu lava tirhe xikan'we after sometimes me hambana in a bad way and swi va nga swi vulavula and swi onhela mani vito swi onhela nqambi leyi a yi pfuneta because we are all going to have different opinions and views about this thing because na loko Benny Mahenga na Dr. Joy Shirimani na Prince Rangani va ta hambana hi ve na mapimelo ya hina hi ve na mavonelo ya hina as people generally. So lexi xi endlaka ku tinqambi to tala letikulu ti nga ha swi koti ku grooma these young artists ti nyika ti-platform i timhaka ta ku tinqambi loko ti heta ku pfuniwa they speak bad about him. Benny Mahenga spoke nonsense about Dr. Joe. Mr. Post spoke nonsense about Dr. Joe. I don't want to speak because of the greatest respect I have for them, but they don't like for the respect and also yeah, it's also that part please. So these Jews they hardly, I mean, these people also they don't appreciate. Not I'm man, someone of goodwill my entire life. Even when we have we are almost every 3 seconds. We differ on everything. Ni sure ku loko nung byela ku munhu na wanuna ena mnenge nharhu wansati na mnenge yimbirhi ita ala. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Just because I said uta ala.
No, but I also have 3 of them, so no.
Do you care to mention them? We know what you must know.
Not more one another, they have 2.
So, but we differ in a lot of things, and sometimes we fight, sometimes we irritate each other. But the greatest thing that we have is that we never forget the good things that we share. We never forget the good things that we did to each other. So the good things in our life, leswi swa kahle hinkwaswo leswi hi nga endlelana swo swi tlula leswi swi hi nyangatsaka swo ka swi nga hangi hi kona swo phuntaphunta ku swo tisa hi vanhu. Vanhu vo vona mi ri vangani va lava ta mi lwisa. So I'm just giving that example. So tinqambi to tala or ti-influencer to tala or vanhu vo tala va rivala ku ri a ni ta ni nga fikangi la emhaka ya Dr. Joe, a ni ta ni nga fikangi la emhaka ya General Mosca. I'm just giving those examples. Let's off ramp. Ni Free did a song with those many more, and it was those things as Gaza DJ Mfundisi. And those honestly was not a lot of was not yini she Gaza she. So what kills a lot of artists is trends. You jumped on the beat, did very well. I saw Cool B jumped on the beat, did very well. But even though Cool B was kind of copying Nerven, akopela ngoma leyi nga duma like the way he was singing on the song. It's dangerous ngopfu leswaku jumper to trends, but also as a musician you must also show that you are multi-talented. You can jump on any different types of beat, but never get carried away. Because let's say Mtimbana goes to mapiano fika yi rapa kuma yimbelela mahara man'wana ma ku tivana yena. What are we going to learn from that? Is that we are going to learn stupid things. Like it's like if he gets the off ramp, we might not even listen to rap unyangatse ngopfu. Ufika le uyimbelela xigaza, xi tsakisa ngopfu. And then you continue. Ukumako music lowa wa xigaza a music lowu nga ta lasta. I'm just giving these advices to Cool B and Free. Because you can tell this is a trend, and those types of songs they don't even last longer, most of them. Like 82 minute noodles. So my advice is never ever forget your identity. Never. Not even a single day. Because once you mess up, hither lie where. I saw Philani are busy arukatela the twins. a ni swi tivi swa swi sukela kwini. But where I'm chilling now, I'm like, why do we hit each other's in this Gaza thing, man? Like, I'm not trying to be a good guy. I'm not trying to sound smart. And why do we hate each other? It's like the live hinkwato ti hostiwaka i tinyimpi, whether hi le ka TikTok, hi le kwini i tinyimpi. And u kuma ku vanhu lava nga le ku lweni ka TikTok hinkwaswo tinghwatla. I kuma ku hinkwavo va dye hi munhu wun'we. And worst part van'wana va ku va na ti-ring. And then pin va the twins swi fambile. Leswi a swi huhi leswi. Loko swi ta ka ti nga endleka ka TikTok, leswi a swi huhi. Mara still mi rhukatelana mi ri vanhwanyana mi rhukatelela vafana. Why each and every time you're le ku rhukatelaneni? Why? Why? For what? For what benefit? What do you want to achieve? Like each and every day we wa ku rhukatela vanhu loko ri paparhulana lexi a mi tsoniwa ha swi tiva, it's not a problem, it's fine. It's okay, we understand. But for other people whom you believe that these are matured, they can reason. But I'm philani reason na loko swi lave hi yena. Hayi. It's bad, man. It's like now you are scared to go, hey, do these people get along? A ku na xi xo ni borha ku fana each and every day hi le nyimpini. I listened to this other song ya Mtimbani. It's like ti busy ti rhukatela na nsati na mani na baby mama ya xiphoro. It's like vana. But ku vula ka caterpillar ku dwile xi ku bifa isati, bifa n'wana u bifa nsati.
Loko yi nga fika yena ku va maxaka.
But for me, I'm not going to sit here because I'm Timbani's fan and then glorify him. Kuangenela baby mama and lucky enough didn't stretch out to the kid. But like for me, say, but also Nesh Paul, I need to was savage. The only line that I like from the song, education is the key to condom. But I love so many lines there. You know, these things now, it's like for me, every time it's like you look for what benefit? Okay, fine, for views and stuff like that. Oh, look trending and stuff like that. But financially, you know go trend out. Because where look at that trend out na mulanga ta kubuka. We have a MC. Kumuya enda yin like for nothing. What did that hofana mo punta? To what extent do you benefit for that? Let's say mina wo rukatelanini. Let's say nirukatelana cha tolo. And then someone gets to me like, MFH, we need an MC yamtsonga laying available sukura so. We have this budget. And I know with my man, you kill this thing. This is for you. Do you think I'm going to pass it to you? I won't. So in any sense, this closes out so many doors because which brand would want to associate with us like that? Yes, we have Brenda so punta because they don't have a choice. You are the only influencer, then they have to work with you. But sometimes we're too comfortable as Batsonga. That's why we don't get better deals. Like we never get someone to be an ambassador or something like that. Because the people who represent us, it's punta, ebatsoniwa, ba busy every day, va le ku rukateleni.
And I also think like that's something that you also have to pay attention to, because now you calling them idiots and stuff like that. It's like somehow you add to the problem.
Awapenga.
But serious. Serious. I'm getting
But I get your point, but I don't agree with it. Look, whatever is punta, because myself, to be honest, dad, I only work with few people, and I know that so many things that I should have done in collaboration with others, but I can't because there are those who are jealous of me for my growth. There are those who just can't work with me because in Wale Bush, and I know many people who watch my stuff are from that side, which I'm grateful for. But so I have no hope from that side, especially the people who have the influence or stuff like that. And I go to a point where I'm no longer interested, because the last time I was interested, I almost got used, and so it's fucked up. So I don't care. Like I don't care. I don't give a damn shit. If you check the people I've been talking to you recently, all of them are from Bushbuck Ridge.
Yeah.
And so I realized that what I like about them, they support each other, man. But people like Malamila again, who come young school in my domes and Marago Sapotan. So it's what they are good at. And I've realized that I saw this other, when I started speaking about that issue, flashlight. When I started speaking that issue, MhanFlo, Makamu and Dr. Joe, it was because I watched this other interview of this very Bazaar Nation or something. So in Bazaar Nation, they pay people to do interviews. So it's like if they call me to do an interview, they will pay me. So they pay Chavi and stuff like that. Hey, they pay the Chavi. Chavi hijacked the entire interview. Chavi is very smart. So I realized MhanFlo was in that interview. She only answered because she was paid to answer. If I don't think she would have answered anything. And it was very difficult for her to get to appreciate Dr. Thomas Chauke because she doesn't want to speak about it. She didn't want to talk about it at all. But they forced her because they paid her money. So I'm bringing this point now and makes me to remember why I started that conversation. Why? Because that's a strategy to close down the market for those who can afford. But when you're in a competition, you don't care about anyone. When you are pushing your own business, I'm pushing my own business. So if you have 30,000, it means you are going to call 15 people to the interview and pay them 2,000 each. One pieces. So, but for those people, my man, I have no regard for them. And some of them have called them for interviews, they rejected. And some of them called me for interviews, I accepted. And we did the interviews. It's like, let's say you're an artist, I have an interview, you reject me, you call me for an interview on Facebook, I came. And I'm just showing you that I have no personal beef with anyone. And if you say I don't like you, it doesn't mean that I don't like you. Even if I don't like you, but if it's a platform that I think we can talk, I'll come talk. Wow. So I might be airing it by saying they are stupid and like that, but like they act stupidly so. Look, what behavior in the sense, I will always say so, regardless of, even if I'm party to it. I won't stop. Even if I knew it was going to affect me in terms of business, I have no business in that side, I will still say it though. So fuck all of them. Hey guys, let's go and stream album. Recommendals, our DJ Khalid, Dinero. What I like about him, he knows his strength. So if you're not a singer, don't sing. Just do what you do best. Let's go to 20k subscribers. Let us push this channel. We have to push it, all of us. We have to do it. We don't have any choice. This is our platform, and this is the platform that matters. I know that all of us, we are together. Ijaimito. Danko.
It doesn't